Can you tell which markup comes from an engineer and which comes from AI? If you guess they're both AI generated, you're right. But we asked 2 engineers on our team to review and annotate the same files. They flagged the exact same issues as the AI, creating markups that were nearly identical. I'm Adam Keating, co-founder and CEO of CoLab, and today I'm excited to launch AutoReview. AutoReview is an AI peer checker that reviews 2D drawings and 3D models instantly. It becomes your first pass check in every technical decision across the product lifecycle, saving you thousands of engineering hours and preventing program delays and quality mistakes. Here's an example of how it could work. Imagine you're a chief engineer on a new motorcycle program about to enter the design validation stage of your stage gate process. AutoReview will help you get the design production ready by finding DFM optimizations, surfacing key lessons learned, highlighting supplier feedback, capturing design changes, and ultimately auto-reviewing every single drawing for you. First, AutoReview looks for DFM optimizations. When scanning the rear wheel shroud, it flags an interior surface likely to trap the part in the mold. It runs a draft analysis and confirms negative draft. Then, it checks your DFM standards and finds a 2 to 3 degree requirement for part ejection, so it annotates the model with that exact recommendation. Next, AutoReview's similarity engine searches for similar parts, scanning through historical reviews on those parts. When inspecting the stamped metal heat shield, it identifies 2 similar components. Based on feedback and past reviews of those components, AutoReview surfaces 4 lessons learned that may be relevant. In a previous program, one of those lessons learned had a mounting tab shift during stamping. To avoid this on your program, you decide to add a pilot hole to the heat shield. Now AutoReview will analyze feedback from your suppliers. In a previous revision, a supplier suggested widening a tab on this brake caliper assembly to prevent shearing. AutoReview compares version 1 and version 2 and finds this change has not been made. You give your supplier the green light to make the change in version 3 so you can be confident that the new design will withstand high localized force during brake line torquing. With AutoReview completing routine checks, your engineers have more time to work on other things, like testing prototypes. In durability testing, a bracket cracked after a low side tip over. Your team runs a finite element analysis, which reveals critical stress concentrations at the bolt mounts. You update the design with a new material and a reinforced lower mount structure. AutoReview stores these design improvements as lessons learned, so you can get bracket designs right the first time on future programs. Finally, it's time to review and approve production drawings. For a program like this, you're looking at around 2,000 drawings, which amounts to thousands of hours of manual review. But AutoReview can complete the first pass for you, and it helps increase speed and quality of the subject matter expert reviews that happen next. AutoReview uses your organization's custom checklists, standards, and guidelines. It checks every drawing against every criteria, identifying missing tolerances, ambiguous notes, missing views, and more. When analyzing the drawing for the crankcase sump, it finds a missing flatness tolerance. It marks up the drawing, recommending the appropriate GD&T feature control, so that QA can prevent oil leakage in the future. AutoReview is powered by CoLab, the design review platform already trusted by leaders like GE Appliances, Johnson Controls, and Schaeffler. CoLab customers have launched products 40% faster, cut BOM costs by 50%, and reduced quality escapes by 15% in a single year. With AutoReview, engineering teams will be able to do even more, cutting review cycles from weeks and months down to days, hours, or even minutes, all while systematically taking their knowledge and building into a knowledge model that can become their team's competitive advantage. Since our soft launch in June, 21,000 engineers have joined the waitlist for AutoReview. If you'd like to join today, go to autoreview.com. And if you're seeing this video on LinkedIn, drop a comment saying AutoReview, and we'll give you 100 free AI credits once we take your team and name off the waitlist.